In this video, I'm going to show you how to configure D-Link DWR-M960 Wi-Fi router. For this purpose, we need to log in the router using web browser. Default username and password is admin. First, I am going to show you how to change the Wi-Fi name and Wi-Fi password. For this purpose, you need to select the settings, then select the Wi-Fi option. Here you are able to see the basic option. In the basic option, you can select 5 giga and 2.4 giga options. For changing the Wi-Fi name, you can change the SSID option, then press the save button. Don't forget, if you are already connected with the same Wi-Fi name, the connection will be lost once after saving the changes. Here I am not changing any settings for avoiding the disconnection. If you want to change the 2.4 giga option, you need to select the 2.4 giga Wi-Fi option, then change the Wi-Fi name. Then enter the new SSID name. After changing all settings, don't forget to press the save and apply button. Here we changed only the Wi-Fi name. For changing the password, we need to select the security tab in the wireless option. Each Wi-Fi band, it will get the separate security option for managing. So make sure which security band you are selected for changing the password. Then press the save and apply option. Now I am going to show you how to do the port forward in this router. For this purpose, you need to select features, then forwarding. Here you need to enable the port forwarding option, then enter the local IP address and then local starting and ending port. After that, need to select the protocol. If it is TCP, you need to select TCP. If it is UDP, we need to select UDP. If it is both TCP and UDP, we can select both option. Don't enter the remote IP address. Here I am leaving the remote IP address option. Then enter the remote port starting and end. Enter a commands to identifying the port forwarding policy. Then press the save and apply. Once after pressing the save and apply option, we are able to see the port forwarding options are available in the current port forwarding table. If you want to delete, you can select the port forwarding policy, then press the delete button. For enabling the DMZ, select advanced, then enable the checkbox of DMZ, then enter the DMZ IP address. Then press the save and apply. If you want to disable the DMZ, uncheck the enable DMZ and then press the save and apply option. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, please press the like button, share and subscribe.